We zijn altijd een regionale partij geweest. Maar we zien ook de noodzaak om mee te doen aan de nationale verkiezingen. Omdat Den Haag te lang de regio niet heeft gehoord. En we zien ook dat het werkt. We zijn hier vandaag in de Bundestag in Berlijn, waar onze zusterpartij, de SSW, hetzelfde heeft gedaan als ons. En heel veel kan bereiken voor de regio. In the Netherlands we're trying to set down a good campaign that the people in the Netherlands are not yet used to having a regional voice in the national parliament. Here in Germany, you already are doing this. So what would you like to say to the people in the Netherlands?
Well, I think it's very important to have a national or a regional voice in the parliament. Well, I've done this the last 4.5 years. And of course, some colleagues were getting a little bit tired of that. Now is he coming again and telling about his region? But actually, all the others, they do the same. And if there are regions which don't have it that good, probably you yourself in the Netherlands, your home region, then we have to be here and to tell everybody. And that's the most important thing.
Can you be successful in the parliament having only one seat?
I think so. We did a lot of work here. We are concentrating on our themes, and that's the way how we get success. You have to be concentrated, you have to be dedicated, and you have to come with good work. And then also the other colleagues, they respect you for the work you do. And I think that's the way how it goes. I think also it's very important for yourself that you understand we are a minority party. It's not our goal to get the most voters, but it is our goal to get that much voters that we can sit in the parliament and we can be a strong voice for our region.
Yeah.
And that's the reason why we're in the parliament. We're not in the parliament to solve all the problems in the world, but to have focus on our region. Of course, also have responsibility for the whole country, but focusing on our region.
So, Stefan, thank you very, very much for having us today here in the Bundestag. Dus het is erg belangrijk dat ook regionale partijen zich in nationale parlementen vestigen om daar het geluid van de regio te laten horen.